In this video, I will explain the wiring connections of the circuit board for the indoor unit of a higher inverter mini-split air conditioner. This guide is especially useful for those who want to do it themselves, DIY, or troubleshoot their unit. Let's first talk about the flow of wiring in this unit. Since this is a 2-ton AC, its main power supply first goes to the outdoor unit. From the outdoor unit, the communication wires come to the indoor unit, which need to be properly connected to the terminals of the indoor unit. Now, let me explain the wiring of the terminals in detail. The indoor unit of a higher inverter AC has 3 primary terminals. Terminal 1, 1N, where the neutral wire is connected, Terminal 2, 2L, where the line wire is connected, and Terminal 3, 3C, which is used for the communication wire. The wiring process is simple if you follow the color coding and terminal labels. The white wire is for the neutral connection and should always be connected to Terminal 1. The black wire is for the phase or line and should be connected to Terminal 2, while the red wire is used as the communication wire in most higher models and is connected to Terminal 3. If, for any reason, the wires are removed from the terminals, it is crucial to reconnect them to the correct terminals. Incorrect wiring can cause significant problems. If the line and neutral wires are swapped on the terminals, the unit might still work, but it could get damaged over time. However, if the line is mistakenly connected directly to the C terminal, the unit will get damaged immediately. Therefore, always double-check the wiring during the process and make sure to consult the manual or diagrams for accuracy. When we take the circuit board out of the unit, we will find the wiring arranged in a specific way. The first connector I noticed is right here. Let me show you where its wires are routed. These wires run to the corner of the unit and connect to a component located there. This component is a plasma ion generator, which is designed to provide fresh and clean air inside the room. Its function is to kill germs and bacteria, ensuring a healthier environment. Most higher units are equipped with this feature. Now, let me explain the operating voltage of this ion generator. The connector supplies 12 volts DC to the ion generator, allowing it to function and activate the bacteria-killing process. However, this feature is typically turned off by default. It only activates when you turn it on using the remote control. As for the wiring, all connections are organized connector to connector. Let me show you an example by opening one of these connectors. Each connector is designed with a unique size and shape, ensuring that it cannot be installed in the wrong slot. This design significantly reduces the chances of wiring errors in the circuit. Additionally, connectors are color-coded for further clarity. For instance, a white connector will only fit into a white base slot, and a blue connector will only fit into a blue base slot. The swing motors are installed here, and they also have their dedicated connector. This connector is designed to fit only into its specific base slot and cannot be connected to any other slot. Next, we have the connector for the unit's display. Now, talking about the electrical connections, you can see that all the points are soldered in their designated positions. Very few higher units use connectors like these. In most units, the connections are soldered to ensure they remain fixed. For the parts involving switching, thimbles are used for connections. This particular wire is the neutral wire, and right next to it is the line wire. Among all the connectors, the fan blower motor connector is the most important. Make sure to check it as well. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos, and subscribe. Thank you.